how easy weight loss can be. Let's break it down. Day 1, start with a positive mindset. Believe you can do this. Day 2, hydrate. Drink at least 8 glasses of water. Day 3, cut out sugar. Swap sweets for fruits. Day 4, 30 minutes of exercise. Try walking, jogging, or dancing. Day 5, eat plenty of veggies. Fill half your plate with greens. Day 6, get enough sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours. Day 7, portion control. Use smaller plates and bowls. Day 8, avoid late night snacks. Finish eating 3 hours before bed. Day 9, stay active. Move more throughout the day. Day 10, celebrate your progress. You've made amazing changes. Remember, consistency is key. Keep up the great work and you'll see results. You got this. Let's make this 10-day challenge a success. Ready, set, go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and challenges.